Hi everyone, I am Natasha Sieski and I would like to welcome you to ACN TV. ACN TV stands for the African Community Network Television. This is a place that is run by Africans, but that do not target only Africans. This is really for the world as a whole to discover a very different facet of Africa and everything that Africa has to offer. This is a place that is located, or based should I say, in Dallas, Texas. But we are definitely targeting all people that want to follow our channel. Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Natasha Sieski et je voudrais vous inviter à la grande ouverture de ACNC. ACNC est African Community Network Center, ce qui est là où nous sommes basés ici à Dallas, Texas. Nous voulons vous inviter pour les portes ouvertes qui auront lieu le 13 mai, donc c'est dans 2 semaines, c'est un samedi, de 11h à 14h. Venez juste pour quelques amuse-gueules, que vous soyez musicien, chanteur, membre d'une église, peu importe d'où vous venez, venez passer quelques heures avec nous et découvrir ce que notre centre a à offrir. Et aussi rencontrer notre famille ici à ACNC. Donc j'espère vous voir tous et nombreux dans 2 semaines, samedi 13 mai. Hi everyone, I want to invite you to come join us at ACNC, which stands for the African Community Network Center. This 13th of May, it's next Saturday, so not the upcoming one, the one in 2 weeks, to come join us from 11 to 2 p.m. To enjoy some good finger foods, to discover our ACN family, but also to see all the services that we have to offer. Whether you are a musician, a singer, a member of a church, really anybody, African, from any type of background, just come see us, see what we have here, or even just come and show your support. So I look forward to seeing you in 2 weeks on May 13th.